Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best DJI Spark is probably one of the most accessible and fun-to-fly drones on the market. Its compact size makes it incredibly portable, perfect for throwing in a backpack and taking on adventures. Despite its small stature, the Spark packs a punch with impressive features, including intelligent flight modes and a high-quality camera capable of capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. Number 5. DJI Mini 3, DJI RC, 4K Camera Drone. This drone is so light, you don't need to register it for recreational use. Just remember to check the FAA's official website for all the rules. It's designed for easy flying and fun. Capture crystal clear aerial shots with this drone's 4K HDR video. With dual native ISO fusion, it captures details in both bright and dark areas. You'll get amazing footage every time. Easily capture tall landmarks with true vertical shooting. The videos are ready to post to Instagram or TikTok. Share your adventures with the world. Enjoy up to 51 minutes of flight time with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately. The Fly More combo offers up to 114 minutes of total flight time. It keeps you in the air longer. This drone can handle winds up to level 5 and has a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for smooth 4K imagery. Brushless motors allow takeoffs at high altitudes. It's built for stability and power. It can transmit HD video up to 10 kilometers, with excellent anti-interference capabilities. Explore vast landscapes and see everything clearly. It gives you a great view. Get epic shots with quick shots and panorama. Choose dynamic flight patterns or capture stunning views. It makes advanced shots easy to achieve. What we like. This drone is incredibly light, making it perfect for travel and spontaneous adventures. It captures stunning 4K HDR video, ensuring your footage is crystal clear and vibrant. Moreover, it boasts an extended flight time, allowing you to capture more without frequent landings. If you are looking for a drone that's easy to take anywhere and delivers professional quality video, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Stable hover and easy to control. Good video display but a bit hard to see in bright sun, so a controller hood would be a good idea. The auto return feature is great too. Number 4. DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo, DJI FPV Goggles V2. Immerse yourself in flight with this product. The goggles and motion controller make flying intuitive and accessible to everyone. With the motion controller, you have intuitive flight at your fingertips. Control the drone with simple wrist movements. Capture stunning footage with the upgraded camera system. It features a 1.7-inch sensor, 155 degrees FOV, and flagship stabilization for next-level imagery. This product's lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry and maneuver. Fly through tight spaces and take it on any adventure. Enjoy an impressive 18-minute flight time and upgraded safety features. The built-in propeller guard allows it to handle minor contact and keep flying. Get a sharp and responsive HD live feed with a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. This ensures a reliable connection during your flights. This product is compatible with various DJI accessories, unlocking different possibilities. It includes the DJI FPV Goggles V2 and DJI Motion Controller. What we like. This drone offers an immersive first-person view experience, putting you directly in the pilot's seat. It captures incredibly smooth 4K footage, thanks to its advanced camera system and stabilization. Its compact size and agility make it perfect for navigating tight spaces and capturing dynamic shots. If you like a thrilling and unique flying experience, this drone will take your breath away. What people say. Very easy to maneuver in small areas and it's very fast. I'd never flown an FPV drone before and this one was so intuitive I picked it up very quickly. Number 3. DJI Mini 2 SE, lightweight drone with QHD video. This drone is incredibly lightweight and compact, weighing less than 249 grams. It's perfect for taking on any adventure, allowing you to capture stunning aerial moments wherever you go. Because it weighs under 249 grams, you don't need FAA registration or remote ID for recreational use. Always check the FAA's official website for the latest requirements. Enjoy longer flights with this drone, offering up to 31 minutes of flight time. The combo offers even more with additional batteries, giving you up to 93 minutes of total flight time to explore and create. The DJI Fly app has easy-to-use shooting templates. It allows the drone to automatically fly, record, and generate professional-level videos that you can share directly on social media. Get a 10 km max transmission range to reliably fly further and capture more. Compared to Wi-Fi, it offers enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference capabilities. This drone flies with reliable stability even in winds up to 38 km per hour. This allows you to capture content more reliably in more places. With simplified operations, it's easy to learn and master quickly, making it ideal for beginners. It also has a return-to-home function for added safety, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. What we like. This drone is designed to be lightweight and portable, making it easy to take on any adventure. It offers an impressive 10 km max video transmission range, ensuring a reliable connection even at a distance. With its beginner-friendly features and simplified operations, it's easy to learn and master quickly. If you are a beginner looking for a drone that's easy to fly and capture stunning aerial footage, this is a great choice. What people say. It's very easy to set up and use. The battery in the controller lasts a super long time. The battery on the drone lasts for about 20+ minutes before you need to return. It takes 4K quality pictures and 2.7K video. I've taken it very high up in the sky and it keeps an amazing signal as well as the gimbal stabilizing the footage or images. Number 2. DJI Spark Fly More Combo, Alpine White. This drone is smart, reliable, and incredibly intuitive. It offers quick-shot videos with just a tap, making it easy to capture stunning aerial footage. Capture amazing images and stabilized video with this drone's high-performance camera. The mechanical gimbal stabilization ensures shake-free shots, allowing you to get the perfect shot every time. Experience awesome potential and immersive experiences with this drone. Its powerful propulsion system provides speed and precision control, making it a joy to fly. Enjoy worry-free flight with this drone, designed to fit in the palm of your hand. For added safety, propeller guards are recommended when using certain functions. This drone features a 2-axis stabilized gimbal camera, ensuring smooth and professional quality video. It operates on a voltage of 100-240V, making it versatile for use in various locations. What we like. This drone offers quick-shot videos with a tap, making it easy to create cinematic content. It provides stabilized video, ensuring your footage is smooth and professional. With its intuitive flight modes, flying becomes simple and enjoyable. If you like creating videos quickly and easily, this drone is perfect for you. What people say. Flies well with controller and not bad with the phone alone, though not as well with the controller. Quality of photos is very good and on par with my iPhone 6s or better. Video is great too, prefer 4K but will live until DJI does a firmware upgrade on these to 4K. Love that they put sport mode as a switch. That is a blast and works surprisingly well. Phantom 1 days an equivalent of sport mode was just plain scary. DJI has made this extremely useful now. Number 1. DJI Spark Drone, Remote Controller, Part 4. This remote controller allows for a video transmission range of up to 1.2 miles, or 2 kilometers. It gives you more freedom to explore and capture stunning aerial footage. With this, you can fly further and see more. Experience the thrill of speed with the Spark. In sport mode, it can reach speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, or 50 kilometers per hour. This allows it to move quickly and efficiently. This remote controller lets you fly your Spark more freely. It provides a reliable connection, allowing you to control the drone with ease. It's designed to enhance your flying experience. The remote controller is designed to be compact and portable. It's easy to carry around, making it convenient for any adventure. It is a great companion for your drone. The remote controller comes in a sleek black design. It is stylish and modern, complementing the look of the drone. It's a great addition to your drone setup. What we like. This drone provides a video transmission range of up to 2 kilometers, allowing you to explore further. It boasts a max speed of 31 miles per hour in sport mode, offering exhilarating flight experiences. If you like a drone that allows you to fly more freely, this is the one for you. What people say. The drone is very portable and easy to carry around. Quick launch and landing. Gesture control is very responsive and works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.